Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have learned to archive our chats in ChatGPT app. In this video, we will be learning on archive our chats in ChatGPT app. First of all, you have to open your ChatGPT on your phone. Then, similarly, swipe it from left to right, and we have to go to your account in the top corner from in right, and then scroll it down. Go to data controls and scroll it down, and in the chat history you can see view archived chats. Click on it and you can see I have archived this chat in the previous video. I'm going to unarchive it now. Then press on it. Then you can see the options of unarchive and delete. I want to unarchive it, so I'm clicking on it. Alright, my chat has been unarchived. You can see you have to go back and see the chats. So you can see my chat has been unarchived. So in this simple way you can unarchive your any chats in any time. So hope this video will help you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.